Hey guys, this is Fundo on Phagama. Nyaleng Tibeti as Zekhethelo on Uzalo. He is the last time today to see her on the stream. Zekhethelo, she appears on Uzalo in 2017. She is leaving Uzalo. After breaking up with Pastor Gwala promised her marriage and family, but he does not fulfill his promise. Zekhethelo moved to Joburg in their last episode. No one knows he will return or not. How do you feel about leaving of this character on Uzalo? Please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe about this leaving of this character. Therefore, thanks.